Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Razr 2022. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go settings, enter display, and as you can see right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level of the screen manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, you can manage lock screen preferences, like privacy on lock screen to show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. You can enable or disable skip lock screen function. You can add text on lock screen and enable or disable show wallet and show device controls. Go back, and now you can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Then you can enable or disable dark theme and schedule it. Next, you can change font size, display size, enable or disable night light that you can also schedule and adjust. Next, you can change colors of the display between natural and saturated. Also, you can change color, temperature. Then, you can change display refresh rate between auto and 60 Hz. Enable or disable auto rotate screen, flicker prevention, manage full screen for apps, set screensaver, enable or disable attentive display, peak display, 3-finger screenshot, swipe to split, ready for function, and in the end you can manage screen record. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.